see just how waterproof this GoPro is. This is not good, bro. I can't see anything. Crazy, they look so low. All of them do. Like it comes up high and just meets right there at that one point. That's crazy. It's like little fingers coming down to grab the earth. That is pretty crazy. 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 So lonely. Look at that. We're even closer now. Wow. Oh, bushes, go away. Look at that. They're so low. That looks so awesome. That's crazy to see that. Looks like they're just above the trees right there. Oh yeah. Here comes the rain. Do 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 do. Oh yeah. Here it comes. Oh lordy. Alright. We're gonna see just how waterproof this GoPro is. This is not good, bro. I can't see anything. You know what? I do this to myself. It wasn't supposed to rain. It was sunny back there. That's tough rain. Oh, that's not. Oh well. Oh yeah, here it comes. All right. There it is. And there comes the wind with it. Oh, that is freaking cold. Oh, that is freaking cold, dude. Shoot, please stop very soon, please. Just let me get past this cloud. The rain is so hard. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh lordy. Oh, it's alright. Just gotta get past the cloud. My feet are soaked. Oh no. Oh. Alrighty. Sure taking your time there, huh, bud? Thank you for coming to a complete stop at that. Ready, windshield wipers activated. Well, ground's not wet over here, but I am a little cold. The bright side, I got long sleeves on, so it didn't hurt that bad. One thing that hurts is my neck. Ah, should have buttoned the top button. My goodness, did I just get soaked or what? It's still coming down. I don't know if you guys can see it. Just a little bit. It's not as bad as it was. I get Mother Nature. You're a cruel, cruel lady. Just want you to know that. You could have been much nicer. I was enjoying the clouds. I'm enjoying what you made. And now it's clear. I love it. refreshing, actually. It was a little warm. The rain's gonna help give me hypothermia. Oh, now we got some warm air hitting us and we're cool at the same time. Oh, does that feel lovely or what? Very. Ooh, warm air and wet at the same time. That's nice. Yes, it is. Sweet and salty, pal. My phone is soaked. But it's okay. That's what insurance is for. Well, I like how we're completely dry over here. I shall be dry here in just a moment. See, the thing that I did not like was that when it rains here, there's a lot of wind. That was a lot of wind behind that rain right there. So I felt like the whole time I had to lean this way to not get pushed into the other lane. Just happy it's nice and sunny now. Of yes. Oh no, is that a butterfly? Did I just kill a butterfly? I always love getting behind somebody who drives 20 miles an hour. That's it. Oh, almost forgot to say peace, baby!